Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I have the Therapeutic Grade 100% Pure Essential Oil, and comes in this box. Has all the little oils on the side, and it comes as a gift box like this. And there is lavender. I'm going to show them to you. I'm not going to open them because I might give them away as a gift. Lavender, and there is eucalyptus. If I can ever get it out. That's eucalyptus right there. There is sweet orange. I noticed that sweet orange is starting to be a thing with them, with a lot of the companies, because you didn't get sweet orange before unless you ordered it. But now it comes in the gift box, so that's really good. This is tea tree. This is on the floor. Then this is peppermint. I think that was lemongrass. Let me get it on the floor. It's not far. Unless it tries to roll away. So this is lemongrass right here. So these will be used for soaps and other things that I make, and I'm liking them. I haven't opened them up to smell them because I said these might be used for a gift. Some of them, not all of them, but I really do like them, and I hope you do too. So if you like them, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comments section, and I'll also put all their information in the comments section. I love you. Take care. God bless. See you later. Bye-bye.